Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. I'm Nerdis, a web designer, and I'm glad you're watching this video. The easiest way to install a plugin on your WordPress site is plugin menu and add new plugin. You can choose your plugin here or search the name of your plugin. But if you need to, you can also download the plugin from a different website like wordpress.org/plugins and upload it manually on your website. First, you should download the plugin file to your computer. Then go to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins and add new plugin. Instead of searching for the new plugin, click on the upload plugin button at the top of the page. Select the file you downloaded before and click install now. As you see, the plugin installed successfully and you can activate it with this button. The plugin is uploaded and activated. That's it, your plugin is now being installed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.